Okay, continuing on now in iWeb and the web widgets. I just showed you how to embed a YouTube video inside it using the web widget HTML snippet. And for this clip, I'm going to show you how to use the Google AdSense ad. Now, to use this, you have to have an account set up, or you could create a new account. We already have one set up, so I'm going to choose that. And you can see it'll appear on the stage. We'll drag it over here so we can see it. Now when you have it selected, you can see you have different things to choose from. Different size ads. So you could easily change the size. Now, of course, when you publish your iWeb page, the live ads will appear on that page. And that's how you add your Google AdSense ads with the web widget in iWeb. I'm Bill McPherson for Expert Village.